If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin Update. Alright, so it has been an amazing progress for the past 2-3 days, and a lot of people are trying to flip to the upside, and many people thinking that the bottom is kicking in. And I told you, no one knows if this is the bottom. If it is the bottom, you've seen me, you've seen my videos. I would love it to be the bottom because I'm prepared if it's the bottom, and if it goes down, I'm still prepared either way. So for me, I'm not bothered. Any direction is my direction because because of course of the investment strategy that I had to develop over the years. I'm ready for any situation. So basically, in here, I think the market psychology won this time around. The market psychology just won because a lot of people, come on, most of us were fudded. I knew that at the back of my head. I always knew that, oh man, we are kind of too much bearish. But it's just because of the chart pattern. When the chart pattern shows you a technical target, there is a technical target. Now, all of this effect could actually, you can make a case that it's because of a bullish divergence on the weekly. I told you that there is a bullish divergence appearing, but the chart pattern still shows that one more leg down is still meant to happen, perhaps to $10,000. Now, you are at the very, very big level, crucial level right now. And, whenever you try to move up, you're going to leave a trail of a key level where you don't want to lose. So I'm going to repeat that again, that you tend to leave a key level that you don't want to lose. And that key level is going to be 17,135. Why 17,135? Because that's three white soldiers lowest part of it. So if you end up coming below the lowest part of these three green candles, then you are in trouble again to move lower. So you move higher, you leave a key level of support. You go up and backtest things, you leave another key level of support. You keep on moving up, you put your stop losses higher. That's basically what I'm trying to say. So as the higher you go, the higher your stops are going to be. So the first stop was pretty much this one right here. Of course, we had say 15,490. We didn't want to lose 15,490. Now that you've moved up, made three white soldiers, the stop just bumped all the way up to 17,100. So this is something that you want to keep you want to keep an eye on. Now the next thing that I'm still bothered about is that three white soldiers and continuation patterns are meaningless if you are at the resistance. So let's say this is your resistance. I'm just going to draw that yellow line as resistance. When the prices break and push 1, 2, 3 candles to the upside, that makes sense because you don't have any other resistance. But when you make one candle like this, you make another candle like that, and you make another candle next to that resistance, these three, even though they're continuation, they mean that they're going to move higher. It doesn't make any sense, or the effect doesn't actually play out because you're making a three white soldier next to that resistance. Same goes for the three black crows. If you're making it at the support level, then it doesn't mean you're going to continue lower, something like that. So basically, I'm a little bit suspicious about these three white soldiers because it's being made right at this descending triangle level here. So you have this move to the downside and that move like this sideways, very, very clear descending triangle. So this time, I've already told you before that you could just potentially be on the verge of backtesting this level, and if this was to take the stop losses, nothing else, you guys got to be careful, because by the end of the day, this is a very clear threat to us that things can move back down to $10,000 as well. So what do we need to continue higher? At least in my opinion, let's break 21,400. Okay, so here we go. Something like this, 21,123. When you do that, when you come above 21,123, you can even trade a move to the upside. You see, it's not going to be a big gap. It's not like you're missing too much. But if you do that, then you're looking for a $27,500 move to the upside. that's what I want to I will probably trade. The reason why it's safe like this is because at least you're going to break that descending triangle and you're not going to be below that resistance line to continue lower, but you're going to smash through it. You're going to smash through this resistance, you're going to back test it, and you're going to ride it all the way to the upside, and that's actually going to be a move of 32% move to the upside, if that makes any sense to anyone. So 32% move for Bitcoin. You can end up trading Doge or Ethereum, and you can get way more than that. And altcoins maybe would be even flying as heck, by the way. So I just want to check out Bitcoin dominance and what's going on, because I do see a lot of altcoins. Okay, Bitcoin dominance still on this sideways movement. It has never lost this sideways movement anyways. The dominance is starting to increase a little bit, so be careful on this one. If the dominance start to push up, we might see the altcoins not pumping too much. I'm not going to say they're going to dump, but anyways, you still got to be careful here, because if dominance gets bullish and Bitcoin starts to drop as well, then you're going to see dumps to the market. That's the relationship. What I'm trying to say is, if dominance goes up, that means people are going to cash out from altcoins, and that's why the dominance is going to be for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is going to be strong, and if Bitcoin itself starts to dump and the dominance pushes up, altcoins are going to go crashing down really badly. So be careful. That's what I can say right now. That's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.